Hey everybody, it's Craggy D. How you doing today? Today I've got Phantom again. Phantom brand fireworks VERTEBREAKER. This is a new cake, I think. It says Phantom Design 2024, and it's very unfamiliar to me. I've been in that store many times, haven't seen it, so I do believe this is going to be a new one for this year, the year that I'm filming it, for the New Year's Eve celebration 2024 into 2025. We've got 36 shots. That's a good amount of shots for a 500-gram cake. Open it up. We see a lot of shots. They're kind of spaced out. And we'll give you a look at the side here, which has the performance listed on it. An energetic display of red and green and purple palms with silver chrysanthemums and crackles. Then it finishes with a fierce red and green to silver flies. Interesting. I chose this one after seeing some other demos, and I really liked the look of the demo, so I'm excited to see what this does and see how it looks on my camera. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to Groggy D. Let's go fire this off. Bye-bye. VERTEBREAKER. All right, great breaks on that and a nice little double finish there.